Let's learn about amazing air vehicles. Are you ready? Let's go. This is an airplane. An airplane is a flying machine with wings that carries people or things high in the sky. It travels fast and takes us to faraway places. This is a helicopter. Helicopter is a super cool flying machine with spinning blades on top. It can zoom up, down, and even hover in the air like magic. This is a passenger jet. Look up in the sky. It's a passenger jet. This big airplane carries lots of people across countries and oceans at super fast speeds. This is a parachute. It's a parachute. It opens like a big colorful umbrella in the sky and helps people float gently down to the ground. This is a hot air balloon. Hot air balloons float high in the sky using hot air and carries people in a basket for a peaceful ride above the ground. This is a rescue helicopter. Here comes a rescue helicopter. It rushes to help people in emergencies, flying fast to reach places where help is needed most. This is a glider aircraft. Look at glider aircrafts. They have wings and fly smoothly without an engine, using wind and air currents to stay up in the sky. This is a cable car. Yeah. A cable car is a small cabin or vehicle that hangs from strong cables and is pulled along by them. It gives a high scenic ride. This is a biplane. Yay! A biplane is an airplane with two sets of wings. This design was common long ago and helps the plane fly steadily at slow speeds. This is a hang glider. Yay! A hang glider is a lightweight aircraft with no engine flown by a person hanging below its wings and gliding using wind and body. This is a seaplane. Yay! A seaplane is an airplane designed to take off from and land on water, using floats or a boat-like hull instead of wheels. This is a drone. Yay! A drone is a small aircraft with no pilot on board, controlled remotely or programmed to fly on its own. This is a Coast Guard helicopter. A Coast Guard helicopter is used by the Coast Guard to patrol coastlines, rescues, and transport people or supplies during emergencies at sea. This is a propeller plane. A propeller plane is an aircraft powered by one or more propellers, which spin to push the plane forward and help it fly. This is a space shuttle. Yay! A space shuttle is a spacecraft that can travel into space and return to Earth, designed to carry astronauts, satellites, and other cargo. This is a rocket. Yay! A rocket is a vehicle that moves by expelling gas at high speed, used to launch satellites, carry astronauts, or explore space. This is a blimp. A blimp is a large airship filled with gas that is lighter than air, allowing it to float and move through the sky. This is a cargo plane. Yay! A cargo plane is a large aircraft made to carry goods with big doors and space for loading and unloading. This is a private jet. A private jet is a small, fast airplane used for personal or business travel, offering comfort and privacy for a few passengers. His is a firefighting helicopter. A firefighting helicopter drops water or fire retardant on wildfires and can also carry firefighters and equipment to remote areas. This is a military helicopter. A military helicopter is used by armed forces for transport, rescue, and combat missions, often carrying troops. This is a fighter jet. Yay! A fighter jet is a fast military airplane that can fly very high and carry weapons to protect a country. This is an air ambulance. Yay! An air ambulance is a helicopter that quickly takes sick or injured people to the hospital and gives emergency care. This is a police helicopter. A police helicopter helps officers watch from above, chase suspects, find missing people, and quickly reach places during emergencies. This is a gyrocopter. A gyrocopter is a small flying machine with a big blade on top to lift it and a propeller to move forward. Good job, Nay again Kids TV. Today we have Learned so many amazing air vehicles.